the channel. It's been a long break, but we're back now and we're going to be working on finding slope between 2 points on a line. So we are in our Unit 7 packet and we're on page 3 of the Unit 7 packet where it says slope-intercept form practice. So we're going to start with number 1. And what you need to remember going into this is that to find the slope, okay, remember that's the same thing as the rate of change. To find the slope, you're looking to make a ratio, or you're looking to make a fraction of 2 different values. So the way that we showed you was rise over run. Okay, and the rise, that's going to be like the change in y, or the vertical movement, over the run, which is going to be the change in x, or the horizontal movement. So it's a ratio showing how 2 variables change in relation to one another, and we just put the numbers in a fraction, okay? So what you need to do first is pick 2 points on the line. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one up here, and it has to be like on the graph. So this one is almost good, but it's not quite on there. So I think we're going to have to go with these 2. Okay. So once you have your 2 points, then you make a right triangle. Now you can either do it like this to connect, or another way you could have done it is like this. And I'm going to show you, you get the same thing either way. So we'll start with the red triangle. Okay. So I'm going to start by going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I went up 10, so my rise is 10, positive 10. Okay, so I went from here up 10, and now I need to switch directions to go to the right 1, 2, 3 times. So I went 3 to the right, so that's a positive 3 on the bottom. Okay. Now if you use the blue triangle, you would have started by going down, but I'm going to show you that it works out to be the same. So you would have started by going down 10 and then left 3. So down 10 is negative 10, and then left 3 is negative 3. But what happens when you have a negative on the top and the bottom of a fraction is they become positive. So it's still 10 over 3 is your rate of change, or your slope. 10 over 3. Okay, number 2. We can use this point. We can use this point. There's actually 4 points you could use on here. And any 2 points is going to give you a ratio that is the rate of change. So let's go with these first 2 here. So I'm going to do, guess I'm going down on this one. Make your triangle. Okay. Remember to do rise over run. And we start by going down 1. So down 1 and then right 3. So since we went down 1, that's negative 1 as our rise, and then right 3, that's positive 3 as our run. And there's my ratio, negative 1 over 3. If you wanted to let's say we wanted to use this point and then this point all the way up here, all you have to do is just make a triangle and then make a ratio. So we go up 3, positive 3, left, left 9, and so that would be 3 over negative 9, which simplifies to negative 1/3 also. Okay, number 3. Just going to pick 2 points here. Here's a good one. Here's a good one. And here's a good one. I'm going to use the one in the middle and then the one on the right. So I'm going to start by going down and then right. So I go down 2, so that's negative 2. and then write 5, so positive 5. So your rise is negative 2 over your run of positive 5. Okay, number 4. Oh man, there's a lot of points you can use on this one. You can literally use any of these. Any 2 of these will work. I'm just going to pick, let's see, this one and this one. Why not? Any 2 will give you the same ratio. That's the cool thing about this. Okay, so I'm starting by going up, and then I'm going to go right. So my rise here is 3, rise of 3, and my run is also 3, both positive. Okay, so positive 3 over positive 3 simplifies to positive 1. Okay. Down here, these are 2 special types of slopes. I'm going to show you a video tomorrow, but this is actually called undefined, because it's a vertical line. And this is actually, this line right here, is a flat slope, so it's called a 0 slope. Yeah, so you don't even have to do any ratios, you just have to memorize those. Alright guys, I hope this was some good practice for you. We'll be doing more of this tomorrow, and I'll see you then.